This Greek tuna and orzo salad is an absolute belter of a light, fresh summer recipe that works well as a meal on its own or as a side to any barbecue dish. The prep's a doddle, but the key to this recipe is really the freshness of the ingredients. So we're using peppers, cherry tomatoes, and then originally I would use spring onions, but I don't have any, so I'm just using a shallot that I've got lying around. We're going to slice some green olives. If you don't like these, that's fine. And then fresh basil and fresh parsley. I think they're probably two of the main ingredients that just give it this light, amazing flavour. Anyway, once your orzo is cooked, let it cool, bung all the veggies in, add in your tuna along with some olive oil and balsamic vinegar. That is it. I mean, it's so easy to do. You could, if you don't like orzo, you could do it with rice. You could also make this a pasta salad, really flexible. Season it with salt and pepper, and then all you need to do from there is just mix it all through. Now, a little tactic, rather than just eating it straight away, I just pop it in the fridge for a little bit just to let the flavours infuse. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. When it comes to serving, like I said, have it as a meal or have it as a side to a barbecue dish. It's so tasty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want the full recipe, as always, you can find it in my app. The link is in the description below.